Join me as I challenge myself to create awesome free videos using VO3 in under 10 minutes. It might sound impossible, but wait until you see just how fast and easy this tool really is. VO3 is a game changer for anyone looking to create high-quality videos without spending a fortune or hours in editing software. This tool is designed to be super user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. With VO3, you can create engaging videos in just a few minutes. Creating videos can be tough, especially when you're on a tight budget or short on time. I mean, have you ever wanted to make a video but thought, this is going to take me hours to edit, or I need to spend a lot of money on expensive software? You're not alone. Many creators struggle with these exact issues. High costs and time constraints can really hold you back from producing the content you want. Another challenge is that you might not have the skills or experience to use complicated video editing software. This can lead to frustration and burnout, making you feel like giving up on your video creation goals. But what if I told you there's a solution that can simplify the process? The costs associated with video creation can add up quickly, from software subscriptions to equipment, and even hiring a team. And let's not forget about the time it takes to learn new software, plan, shoot, and edit your videos. It's overwhelming, right? But here's the thing. You don't need all that to create great videos. VO3 changes the game by offering a straightforward and affordable solution. So let's dive into how VO3 works. First, you sign up and choose a template that fits your style. The interface is super intuitive, with a drag-and-drop feature that makes it easy to add your media, text, and effects. You can browse through a variety of stock footage and images, or use your own content. The editing process is where VO3 really shines. You can trim clips, add transitions, and adjust the timing of your video with just a few clicks. If you want to get fancy, you can explore the advanced features like color adjustments and audio settings. The best part? You can see your changes in real time. VO3 also offers a range of pre-made templates and themes that can help you get started quickly. These templates are customizable, so you can make them fit your brand or personal style. This feature is especially useful if you're short on time or need to create a video on the fly. One of my favorite features in VO3 is the AI-powered suggestion tool. As you're editing, it gives you tips on how to improve your video, from suggesting better transitions to recommending music tracks. This not only saves you time, but also helps you create a more engaging video. Imagine being able to create a stunning video in just a few minutes. With VO3, you can do just that. For example, let's say you want to create a quick tutorial. You can choose a template, add your clips, and VO3 will automatically arrange them into a cohesive video. You can then customize it further, add your voiceover, and you're done. To demonstrate just how quick it is, I can create a simple video right here. I can pick a template, add some clips, and customize it on the fly. With just a few clicks, I have a video that's ready to go. The AI-powered features in VO3 make it possible to create professional-looking videos without needing extensive editing experience. In minutes, you can have a video that's not only visually appealing, but also engaging and informative. So, what are you waiting for? Give VO3 a try and see how easy video creation can be. To wrap it up, VO3 is a powerful tool that makes video creation accessible to everyone. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features that help you create stunning videos in no time. If you're interested in more tips and tricks on video creation and other cool tools, be sure to check out my other videos. I'd love to hear about your experiences with video creation, so leave a comment below with your stories or questions.